Fellow Zimbabweans, good day. First of all, I'd like to applaud every Zimbabwean for the efforts that they are putting in today. Um, this is really remarkable, and it's a brand new start to a brand new country that we all want as we move forward with this struggle of trying to gain back our independence from the people that we thought that had given us the independence that we needed. I am so proud of the people that have started this movement, especially the young people, uh, in doing what they have done and achieved to make sure that every Zimbabwean has the equal right, has the job opportunities, has the basic needs, uh, and the struggle continues, because as we all know that this government is not going to step down anytime as much as we're going to do this, but this is a brand new start. This is what we've wavered for as a nation, to show them that we are really tired and enough is enough. The people in the UK, man, just standing up and being where you are is remarkable. Even in your small numbers, we have seen that you're all there and we all for the same cause. So to the Zimbabweans, every Zimbabwean that stayed at home today, every school child that stayed at home, every company that stayed closed today, I want to salute you and say, let's continue the struggle. Let's gain back our independence. Let's gain back our country as young people mostly, and try and rebuild the country that we so love very much. You know, as I spoke the last time, I said, you know, not many of us are happy to be in the diaspora, and many of us would want to be back home and rebuild in the country that we love. So what is happening today is remarkable. This is a milestone that we've come. And, you know, just for us to be able to stand against the government and really show that we are tired, we are fed up. This is something, to me, I failed to sleep all night while I was working, but every time, every opportunity I got, I went on the phone and, you know, just trying to see what is happening back home. And it's, for me, it's beautiful. But again, I would also want to remind Zimbabweans that let's restrain from violence. We're not a violent nation. You know, let's all stay at home as we had said that we we're going to do, you know, and just pick it up from there. And then tomorrow is a brand new day, but today we have achieved what was meant to be achieved. So to every Zimbabwean out there, and the efforts that you've done and just your solidarity shows us that we are a one nation people, and we want to move from there and get back what belongs to us. Zimbabwe is ours. The flag is ours. The movement is ours. Salute you. Have a good day and be safe.